Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be making a hair growth oil using fenugreek seeds and rosemary leaves. Fenugreek seeds are rich in iron and protein, which are essential for hair growth. Fenugreek also treats irritated skin, dandruff, dry and itchy scalp. It prevents hair loss and can prevent premature graying as well. Also, rosemary stimulates scalp circulation and can prevent baldness or stimulate new growth in balding areas. Avocado oil is rich in potassium, magnesium, and biotin, all of which help retain moisture, boosts shine and elasticity, and prevents breakage and split ends. My hair loves this oil in particular. I will also add some sweet almond oil, which is incredibly rich in nutrients. It hydrates dull and dry hair. Because of its rich in fatty acids, it really does the work by moisturizing dry hair. It also smooths hair texture and strengthens hair. It fights inflammatory scalp condition and promotes hair growth as well. Amla oil boosts hair growth and prevents hair loss. I personally use this to pre-poo sometimes, and it has contributed in thickening my hair. Lavender oil, when used on the scalp, increases blood circulation, which means there is faster delivery of essential nutrients and oxygen to the hair follicles, therefore promoting faster hair growth. So pouring this, I will not be measuring it, just used enough for this hair growth oil, and I'll be using this much. This is a close view of the seeds. Isn't it beautiful? It is, right? I then add my rosemary leaves. And this is how the combination looks like. I am adding in my avocado oil. I want the oils to be a little bit less than the two initial ingredients, so to get the most out of them, and this is what I have so far. I will also add my sweet almond oil as well. So I will leave this in the boiling water for about 20 minutes to allow them infuse in the oil. And here I added a little bit more of the avocado oil. So I will be setting this mixture in the boiling water for about 20 minutes before draining them to get the oils. And this is how they are looking so far. So it's been about 20 minutes already, and I'll be draining the oils from the seeds and leaves. And this is how they are looking, so beautiful. And this smells really good, guys, trust me. Here I am draining the oils from the seeds and the leaves. And this is what I have. This oil looks so beautiful. So I will be adding in my Amla oil, a little bit of this, and also my lavender oil as well. I then mix them together and transfer into an applicator bottle to allow for easy application. And this is what I have now. So now how I apply the oil to my hair. Starting with freshly washed hair, I moisturize with my leave-in, then go in with the oil to moisturize and seal in the moisture. So I start at the root of my hair with the oil and then massage it into my scalp for a little over a minute. Then I work the oil on the rest of my hair. I also concentrate on the ends of my hair as well. After doing this, I twist my hair back up and finish all the sections using the same process. After this, I usually put my hair in a protective style, usually mini twist or cornrows, for about 2 weeks before my wash day. And I make sure to keep my hair moisturized while in protective style. So this oil can also be used basically for everything, including pre-pooling, hot oil treatments, and to moisturize the scalp. If you watched this video this far, thank you so much guys. Please subscribe to be notified when I post more contents. Like and share this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!